type of endemic species in India. How many species are endemic? Let's look the topic first. Exactly है क्या? Endemic species, simply these are those species we can found at a particular location in particular area. The location can be a only lake in a particular mountain ranges, specifically to a country, maybe to a continent. Like the last question, the first statement was saying XYZ species was endemic in India, but that to the Asian continent होता वो statement सही था. That's you people were suggesting at that time. What is the exactly definition of the endemic species? An endemic species in ecology is a species having specifically geographical range of distribution and is confined to a single area. This is the keyword. It's only confined to a single area. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि if something is endemic only to Delhi, वो फिर हरियाणा में नहीं मिलेगा. If something is endemic to India, that cannot be found in Nepal. If something is endemic to Asia, that cannot be found in Australia. That's the meaning of endemic species. Having can be in a very small area. It can be in a lake. It can be extend to across continent. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि एक स्पीसीज पूरे इंडिया में ही एंडेमिक हो सकता है, वो एक पार्टिकुलर एरिया में भी डिफाइंड हो सकता है, वो पार्टिकुलर रेंज में भी मिल सकता है, वो एक पार्टिकुलर कॉन्टिनेंट में भी हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट calling them as an endemic species. It is not found anywhere else in the world, and this is the term and condition for any endemic species. If we are considering any species as endemic, it will not be available in any area over the world. This specific location cannot be found in anywhere in the world. Now, there are some other kind of the species like the indigenous species. Is indigenous species and endemic species are same? क्या सभी endemic species indigenous species हो सकते हैं? All indigenous can be endemic? No. ठीक clear है ना? Next देखते हैं. Have specifically them to survive only a unique habitat. अब इसमें दो regions भी हैं. There can be two kind of the endemic species. One are those species which are restricted to the area due to the climate issue, due to the weather condition, due to the particular habitat. The second type of the endemic species are those who are in a particular area due to their sexual orientation, like kangaroo. They stay to only that area due to their sexual reproduction. So these are different kind of the endemic species, and the specific definition are given to them. One is the paleo-endemic species. Maybe they can go into the depth. So there are two types. One is the paleo-endemic. These are the species that were widespread, but now found only in a smaller area. पहले क्या था? All over the world present थे. But due to the different kind of climate change, due to the weather condition, now they are consigned to a very small area. That's why the word endemic is. So those species are known as the paleo-endemic, and a specific example is the coast redwood. It is the classical example of the paleo-endemic species. The second type is a neo-endemic species. हाँ? कोस्ट रेडवुड एक लाइक जैसे रेड सेंडर्स हम देखते हैं उसी तरीके का एक प्लांट है. हाँ, इट्स अ प्लांट स्पीसीज that was initially present all over the continent, but now I fixed only to a specific continent. Neo-endemic species, these are the species arise due to the reproductive isolation. कोई species है, they are using their reproductive isolation as their common character there. Australia, kangaroo is only endemic to Australia. The reason behind why the kangaroo are only endemic to Australia is the reproductive isolation. It can be a statement in your paper also. Kangaroo are limited to Australia only due to their climate habitat. The statement will be wrong. They are due to their reproductive habitat or due to the reproductive isolation. They are confined only to Australia. So these kind of species are known as the neo-endemic species. Adaptation जो होगा वो paleo-endemic adaptation हो रहा है. पैलियो-एंडेमिक में क्या था? पैलियो-एंडेमिक स्पेसिफिकली इनिशियली हर जगह अवेलेबल थे बिकॉज ऑफ द लेस क्लाइमेट चेंज. अब now they are adapted to a particular climate and cannot survive into all the climate all over the world. So they are now fixed to a specific area. So these are the paleo-endemic. इसमें एग्जांपल है रोजवुड. अब आप आ जाते हैं नियो-एंडेमिक जहां पे आप बोले रिप्रोडक्टिव आइसोलेशन ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट है. ऐसा नहीं है. रिप्रोडक्टिव आइसोलेशन बिकॉज द स्पीसीज इनिशियली वहीं पे प्रेजेंट थी लाइक डार्विन फिंचेस का एग्जांपल देखोगे, उन्होंने अडेप्ट किया, लेकिन वो पार्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे अडेप्ट हो गए, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंट ऑफ द रिप्रोडक्टिव आइसोलेशंस, वो उस तरीके से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए बाकी जगह जहां पे दे अडॉप्टेड हुए पार्टिकुलर लोकेशंस. द मेन रीजन इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज कैंगेरू आर endemic to Australia because of the climate change. Second is kangaroo are endemic to Australia due to reproductive isolation. तो second statement will be correct one, first नहीं होगा. Like इस बार marsupials के बारे में पूछा था, ठीक है. Similarly, there can be a statement related to this as well. Now come, yes, हाँ pandemic इसमें आएगा, neo endemic. Next आते हैं, these are some of the characters. Specific geographical area, first characteristics, specific geographical area. Second, higher vulnerability. You people will note down, कोई भी species अगर endemic है, that is come into the endangered or critically endangered category, because they are limited to a particular location. At any point of time, the population can be decreased more. That's why they are considered as a highly vulnerable species in the world. Lower genetic exchange because they are limited to a particular area, तो genetic exchange भी spread नहीं होगा, they are related to a particular genetic exchange. बहुत small groups में ही genetic exchange होगा, ठीक है. And then the unique evolution after the adaptation, multiple adaptation के बाद they evolve continuously and can adapt a different kind of the climate change. So that's having the unique evolution also. So these are the four main characteristics of the endemic species. ठीक है, इसमें हम देख लेते हैं कि स्पेसिफिकली इंडिया में कौन कौन से स्पीसीज एंडेमिक है. एंड दीज आर द स्पीसीज व्हिच हैव द हाईएस्ट इंपैक्ट ऑफ द क्लाइमेट. तो ये स्टेटमेंट भी हो सकता है कि देयर कैन बी द टू काइंड ऑफ द स्पीसीज, एनीवन व्हिच इज द हाईएस्ट इंपैक्टेड बाय द क्लाइमेट चेंज. क्लाइमेट चेंज से कौन से वाले स्पीसीज सबसे ज्यादा इंपैक्ट होंगे. तो दीज आर द एंडेमिक स्पीसीज दोज आर गोइंग टू इंपैक्ट बाय द क्लाइमेट चेंज. तो एक न्यूज़पेपर का रिपोर्ट था, लाइक द ब्लू क्रेन इन साउथ अफ्रीका, स्नो लिपर्ड इन हिमालय, giant tortoise of Galapagos Island. These are some of the species which are highly impacted by the climate change, and these are endemic to these particular area. Now there are the 7-8 species according to your importance of the examination. These are endemic to India. Number 1, flame throated bulbul, wood owl, Malabar parkit, Nilgiri tahar, line-tailed macaw, Nilgiri langur, forest owlet, and Nicobar megapod. Vaishnavi sir, please distinguish between endemic to and endemic in. Endemic in country होगा तो means they are restricted to a specific location only. They are not spread to the multiple location. These are endemic in India means वो इंडिया में ही मिलते हैं, और endemic to India उसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? If species is endemic to India or endemic in India, both are same or different? How? Both are same. Endemic to India, if we are using the word endemic, जिसपे हमारा लास्ट डिस्कशन था, क्योंकि वर्ड एंडेमिक पे ही डिस्कशन था हमारा लास्ट में, वर्ड एंडेमिक वहीं पे यूज होगा इफ वी आर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया. इफ आई एम सेइंग XYZ species or the Nilgiri tahar is endemic to India, so means it is only available in India, or endemic in India, it's only available in India, means both are the same. Okay, इनका फोटो भी देख लेते हैं. फ्लेम थ्रोटेड बुलबुल, mottled wood owl, Malabar parkit, and the Nilgiri tahar. Lion-tailed macaw, नीलगिरी लंगूर, फॉरेस्ट आउटलेट्स, निकोबार मेगापोल. इंडिया में बंदर की सब वैरायटी मिलती है, ठीक है. तो दीज आर द सम ऑफ द स्पीसीज विच आर एंडेमिक टू इंडिया, एंड द एंडेमिक में जो डाउट था वो नहीं होना चाहिए. इसमें स्पेसिफिकली द सेकंड काइंड ऑफ स्पीसीज जहां पे हमें मिक्स रहता है, नेटिव और इंडिजीनियस. नेटिव, इंडिजीनियस एंड एंडेमिक. These are native and indigenous are different from the endemic species. One species may be native to India, but it may not be endemic to India. Similarly, for the indigenous species may be indigenous to India but may not be endemic to India. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, every native or indigenous species cannot be a endemic species. इस तरीके की स्टेटमेंट आ सकती है. क्लियर?